In front of me is POCO X6 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy. Then click on Permission Manager and select one of your device's features to manage it, like Camera. Following that, select one of your apps and tap on the best option for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to set up the first one, so when I tap and go back, I can see that my app just gained access to this device's camera if I'm using it. But you can always select any feature and look for an app that you wish to manage, like Chrome. Now, instead of selecting any of those options, scroll all the way down, click on See All Chrome Permissions at the bottom, and manage all of those only for a chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!